Welcome to Hello Kids. I'm Najia, and today I have an amazing story with a valuable lesson just for you. So, get ready to listen closely and learn something special. Let's dive into today's story. The story Sleep Early, Wake Early. Once upon a time, during the chilly winter season, cold winds swept through the city, and people loved staying wrapped in their warm blankets, reluctant to leave their cozy beds. In one such home lived a young boy named Dinesh. He was good at his studies but had become increasingly lazy during winter. Dinesh would stay up late watching his mobile and then wake up late in the morning. His mother often advised him to change his habits, but he would simply nod and carry on with his routine. Winter holidays had begun, and Dinesh was thrilled about not having to wake up early for school. He stayed up late watching cartoons and didn't get out of bed until 11 a.m. one day. His mother said, "Dinesh, because you wake up late, you feel tired all day. Start sleeping early and waking up on time." Dinesh replied, "Mom, it's so hard to leave the bed in this cold weather." His mom smiled and said, "Son, this habit isn't good for your health. Being punctual is very important." One day, Dinesh's friend Ali invited him to play at the park in the morning. Ali woke up early every day and played in the fresh morning air. Dinesh replied, "I can't wake up that early. I love sleeping late." Ali laughed and said, "Dinesh, you've become so lazy. Start waking up early, you'll enjoy life much more." Dinesh's habit of waking up late left him feeling tired throughout the day. He couldn't enjoy playing properly, nor could he focus on his studies. His friends were always active and cheerful, while Dinesh yawned endlessly. One day, Dinesh's mom decided to teach him a lesson. She woke up early, finished all her chores, and didn't prepare any breakfast for him. When Dinesh woke up at 11 a.m. and asked for breakfast, his mom replied, "Son, everyone who wakes up early has already eaten. Now you'll have to make your own breakfast." Dinesh was surprised and said, "Mom, why didn't you make my breakfast?" His mom smiled and said, "Those who wake up late get everything late." This incident made Dinesh realize his mistake. He decided to start sleeping early and waking up on time. That night, he turned off his mobile early and went to bed. The next morning, he woke up feeling refreshed and energized. He called Ali and asked him to meet at the park. At the park, Dinesh experienced the beauty of the morning for the first time: the cool breeze, chirping birds, and children playing joyfully. Dinesh said to Ali, "You were right, waking up early is amazing." From that day on, Dinesh made it a habit to sleep early and wake up on time. His studies improved, and he became more active in playtime as well. Both his mom and Ali were delighted to see this positive change in him. Moral: Kids, this story teaches us that punctuality is essential for a healthy life. Sleeping early and waking up early not only keeps you fresh and active but also makes your day productive and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. See you in the next story. Allah Hafiz.